Okay, folks, I'm going to give you some instructions here so that you have a little bit of easier time getting into the ebook that you're trying to get into here. And first of all, you found yourself on this page and you clicked here, and then it opened this page here. But ultimately, you went to this page here. All right, now I'm going to put the video down here towards the bottom of the page, or a link to the video that's going to say, just before the step 1, it's going to say instructions. Okay, and here's what you've got to do. If you noticed on that first page, you had your sponsor's name right here. You copy that sponsor's name right there. You come back over here. You go into this blank here and you paste it in there. And you generate the code, HTML code. Here is your sponsor's link. You take that, you put it in a new browser, voila! And that's the download page for the How to Become a Millionaire PDF file or ebook. So I hope this has been helpful to you. And you know, anytime that you need to get a hold of me, my name is Tom Howard. I'm the real Tom Howard on Facebook. I am my phone number is 931-638-6244. My email address is tomhoward@income.outbreak.com. All right. Thanks a lot for coming here, and I'll see you on the inside.